every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello my Dotty family and welcome back to part 4. If you're brand new to my channel, please go and check out my fundamentals playlist first to see how I work, and then you can come back to the tutorials. Okay, so now I want to decorate the corners. So I'm just going to mark, I want to get the center line on both sides. Do that and that, and the same across here. Yeah, I think that's right. Just so we have some guidelines to work with here. Oops. And then I want to do that on the other stencil too. With my 3mm tool and color number 1, which is the silver, I'm going to make center dots on all 4 corners. Where everything can come together. And then with a 4mm tool, I'm going to make a 4mm dot right there, and then we're going to create quite a long swoosh. So I'm just adding some extra paint straight from my bottle, and then with my small tool I'm just going to drag it a few times until it gets quite close to that center dot there. Then we're going to go to color number 2. So because this is the blue stencil, we're going to work with the blue, color number 2. And we're going to make one on each side. So, and some extra paint. Ooh. Could have been disastrous, but luckily it wasn't. Then I'm going to drag it on the close side to the middle swoosh because I want it to start bending inward. So like so. I'm just going to straighten that out. So we have a little bit of a more smoother transition into the So I'm going to carry on adding more. So I've done color 2 now. I'm going to do color 3, color 4, and then I'm going to start with the purple. I'm going to do color 2, 3, and 4 as well. Next up, I'm going to take my 5mm ball tool and just to round off these beautiful flowers here, I'm going to walk the dog to about there. And so that's 5 dots. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to switch to my 2.5mm ball tool and just finish them off. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the same one again, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. And I'm going to do that all the way around for all of them. So before you guys get started with this, the second stencil, just remember to do your 3mm dot, because I'd already finished this and unfortunately I forgot about that one. But if you guys want to put in your 3mm dot on the straight line first, and then you can do your swooshes and it'll look exactly like this. But I'm just going to go with the flow of how this one is getting done, which is coming up now. I'm going to repeat the swoosh process on this stencil that I did on the other one as well. And now I'm just going with obviously the purple palette, so color number 1, which is the gold champagne color. So I had to add some extra paint onto the swoosh because the consistency of this paint wasn't nice. So I just added some flow medium. So hopefully the next ones will be better. So I'm going to do exactly what I did on the other one. So with the formal, I'm going to do color 2, 3, and 4. And then from the blues, I'm also going to do color 2, 3, and 4. So here we go. Okay, so just like I did on the other stencil, I'm also going to give this some dots on the outside. So with my 5mm ball tool, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just gave it some extra paint there because it looked a little bit too small, because the consistency of this paint is a little bit weird. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 was the number we went with the other one. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okie dokie. And I'm going to do that with all of them. So here we go. Alright, so I have done some more touch-ups with this, especially with the branding in the center. So that one is done, and so is this one. So I'm just going to wait a day and then I'm going to varnish it. Have to wait for the swooshes to dry, but basically we are finished. Fantastic. If you guys followed me and you did this, well done. I would love to see the ones that you guys also did, so please come and post them on my Facebook group. Link is in the description below. Have an awesome, fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay magical, stay dotty, keep well.